Hi guys, my name is Rakesh and you are watching my channel Smart Classes. Today I am here going to tell you about new chapter class 8, that is exponent. Exponent is very interesting chapter, but you have to understand what is the concept of exponent. So let's start about exponent. गाइस सबसे पहले तो एक्सपोनेंट चैप्टर में एक्सपोनेंट है क्या, ये आपके माइंड में ज़रूर क्वेश्चन एक होगा. सो उसको मैं ज़रा सा एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ. सो व्हाट इज़ एक्सपोनेंट? लेट अस सी हियर सम एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी आर पुटिंग 2 to power q. We can read this term as a 2 to power 3 and the value of this term is 2 into 2 into 2. We can write 2 as a 3 times multiply. So this is the exponent where 3 is power and 2 is base. When any power on the base is called exponent. So here from you can get the value of this term, that is 8. Another example, let's see here, 4 to power minus 2. Here you can see the power is given in negative integer, that is minus 2, and here is a base 4. So we can write 4 as a base and minus 2 is power. But as you know that power should not be negative integer, so you have to convert into power which is positive. So we can convert power into positive integer. So we can write as a reverse of the base, that is 1 by 4 and having power, that is 2. So we can read as a 1 by 4 square. This is exponent. Now guys, we are proceeding towards when you are going to solve the problem of exponent, you have to learn about some law of exponents. There are few law of exponents and one by one I am going to explain. So according to law of exponent, and the first law which says that according to first law of exponent, if two rational number having the same base, here base is same, that is a, but having power is different. The first power is m, positive integer, and the second power is given and that is also positive integer. So when the base is same, power must be added together. So we can write here as a base a but power m plus n. Let us see some example of this law of exponent. We can say that if any number, that is 2 power having 3 and it is multiplied by 2 power having 2, so we can write here easily 2 to power 3 plus 2 and is equal to 2 to power 5. When we have to find this term value, we can write 2 as a 5 times. And the value of this term is 32. From the next example, we can understand easily. If the example is here 2 to power minus 3 into 2 to power minus 5. So according to law of exponents, we can say the term is 2 minus 3 and plus minus 5. So we can write here as a 2 to power minus 8. And this is negative integer, so we can reverse the number, that is 1 by 2 and power is 8. So you understand with these examples the first law of exponent, that is a to power m into a to power n, which gives result a to power m plus n. Guys, from the second law of exponent, and the second law of exponent says that if any number which is having positive integer and which is divided by the same number and having positive integer, that is n. Here is the base is same but having power is different, that is m and n, and both are divided each other. So results gives the base is same but power must be subtracted each other. So let us see with the example. Here is 3 is base and power is 3, and which is divided 3 to power 2. We can write here as a base, the same base is 3 and power must be subtracted. We can write here as a 3 to power 1, and the value of term is 3. From another example, let us see here. The example is 4 to power minus 3 and divided by 4 to power minus 2. So we can write here as a base is same and power must be subtracted. So we can write here the value of this term, that is 4 to power minus 3 plus 2, that is 4 to power minus 1, and this can be converted into inverse, that is 1 by 4. So from these two examples we can understand very easily the second law of exponent. Now guys, proceeding towards the third law of exponent, and third law of exponent says that if any number which is having power m and as a whole there is another power is n, so law says that the base remain the same but power, all power whatever is given there is multiplied each other. So according to law, each and every power must be multiplied togetherly. From examples we can understand easily. If any number is 3 and having power 2, as a whole there is power minus 2. So from the law of exponents, what is the value of this term? That is 3 to power 2 into minus 2. So we will get here from the value, that is 3 to power minus 4, and this term can be reversed as a 3 to power 4. Another example, let us see here. If any number which is base having 2 and power is 3 and whole power is given minus 5, so we can write here as a 2 to power 3 into minus 5, that is 2 to power minus 15. So whatever here power is given, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, many times power is given, so there is no need to worry. You have to write the same base and power must be multiplied togetherly. So guys, moving towards the next law of exponent and fourth law of exponent. According to this law of exponent, any number, any two different number is multiplied togetherly but having the power is same. So what were here is a multiplied by b and power will be remain the same. So a into b, which is having power m. So let us see with example. We can write here as a 2 to power 4 and here is a 3 to power 2. So 3 to power 4. So from here the law says that 2 into 3 and power will be remain the same. So we can find the value, that is 6 to power 4. The another example we can say that if 2 to power minus 3 and 3 to power minus 3, so from the law of exponent, here 2 into 3 and the power will remain the same. So here is a 6 to power minus 3. Now moving towards the next law of exponent, and which says that which says that if two different number is divided each other but having the same power, so as a result what we get here, the first number having the same power is divided by the second number which is having the same power, that is a to power m, and which is divided by b to power m. So from example we can understand the thing properly. So let us see here 2 to power 3, and which is divided here 3 to power 3. So we can say that 2 to power 3 and which is 3 to power 3, we can say that. So guys, our next law of exponent, that is if any number which is having negative integer, suppose here base is a and the power is negative integer, so the law says that the number should be reversed with the same power, with positive power. So we can write here as 1 by a to power m. Guys, for example, we can write here 3 to power minus 4. So what will be happen here? We can write this term from the law of exponent, that is 1 by 3 to power 4, and we can find the value of this term, that is 1 by 4 times, which gives the value that is 1 by 81. From another example, let us see if any negative base which is having negative integer power, that is minus 4. So we can write from here according to law of exponent, that is minus 1 by minus 5 and power is 4. The number is just reciprocal because we have to convert into positive power integer. So we can write this number as a 1 by minus 5 to power 4, and the value we can find here is a 1 by minus 5, that is 4 times. The value is 1 by 625. Because here is a 4 times negative sign, we can convert into positive sign. So we can write 1 by 625. This is the right value of this rational number. Now guys, we are moving towards the last law of exponent, that is 7th law of exponent, which says that if any number having power is 0 and the result which gives that is 1. So whatever number is given and their power is 0, so whole number is equal to 1. Let us see with example. Here is a 2 to power 0. We can say that the value of this term is 1. If any number is 100 and the power is 0, we can say that the value of this term is 1. So any number, whether it is positive or negative, suppose here is a minus 41 and having power 0, so we can write here as the value is 1. So whatever the number is given and power is 0, the term value is 1. So this is the law of exponent we have completed already. So that is the end of today's video. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, do comment, share and like to my videos, and if you have any queries, please contact and give comments. For my next video, you stay tuned with my channel, and we are coming with lot of solutions in our next coming video.